Hi, welcome to our Camect support video on connecting to and commissioning the hub. Now I have a new Camect hub. I'm going to plug a Cat 5 cable into the back, and I have a power location here that I'm going to plug into. And what should happen, should see a blue ring around the hub. I'll let you know it's powered up. There is a power button that is on the side. If you press and hold, it's right here. You just tap it, let go, it'll power down on its own. Let's go ahead and get started now getting this hub added to the app. Right at this point, you now have your Camect plugged into your internet. You have it powered up. You have a blue ring around it. Now it's time to add it into the home.camect.com site. Now I'm using our V2 version, which I put a /V2 at the end. You can just go to home.camect.com and you can get to the same similar screen. Now, you have some options here for authentication. If you use one of the first four, Google, Facebook, Amazon, or Apple, they'll already authenticate you and you won't have to do it each time you log into the Camect Hub. You'll simply put in your email address and it's already been authenticated as you as the user. You'll log in, no problem. If you sign in with email, which you can do, which is your regular email that hasn't been used to authenticate through any of those other services, then you're going to get an email sent to you every time you log into the hub, and you're going to have to approve that to be able to log in. So you'll have to make a determination on whether or not you want to do that or not. I find the easiest thing to do is just simply sign in with a Gmail account. I'm going to click that. I'm going to go put in an account that I've set up. And I'll go ahead and save. Now it's going to ask me to read the policy. I'm going to go through and agree to the terms. Okay, now I want to click on Add a Hub. You can see it went out and it did find a hub at 192.168.0.59. I want to go ahead and activate that hub. It's going to give me some consent settings here. These are the default settings and the ones that are recommended. Basically things like when you're adding a new camera that has default logins, do you want Camect to give it a password automatically? Do you want to adjust settings for the cameras so it's got the best results? And you want to send email alerts and home status changes. Do you want that automatically happening? Now you can uncheck this if you want, or you can go in and do it in the hub settings. But I'm going to go ahead and hit agree. And now I want to view the Camect Hub on the home page. It found it. It's going to give it a generic name. I can click on the pencil here and I can just edit it. Call it Demo Hub. And now from here I can click on it. I don't have any cameras added yet, but Camect will go out if I don't go in and change the network settings and say I want to turn off the full network scan. Camect will go out and look for cameras. Now we have videos that we've done on that, on how to add cameras and going through all the other settings. So this video was really to show you how to get to the point of adding your Camect to an account from the time you unbox it until you can get in and start working with adding cameras and changing settings.